Your car feels slow, it struggles to accelerate, and that check engine light just won't go away. What if I told you a small, cheap sensor could be the reason your engine feels weak? Stay with me. This fix might save you hundreds of dollars. You don't need to be a mechanic to fix this. I'll walk you step by step so you can restore your engine power fast. Section 1. WHAT is P0101. The P0101 code means there's a problem with your mass airflow MAF sensor. This sensor measures how much air enters your engine. Your engine uses this data to mix the perfect amount of fuel. But when the MAF sensor sends incorrect data, your engine runs too rich or too lean. Power drops, fuel economy gets worse. Think of it like your engine is breathing wrong. Section 2. Symptoms you should never ignore. If your car has P0101, you'll likely notice sluggish acceleration, engine hesitation, or jerking. Rough idle car shaking at stop, poor fuel mileage. Black smoke from exhaust in some cases. Check engine light on. Many drivers ignore these signs until the problem becomes expensive. Section 3. What causes P0101? Before fixing, you need to understand the real causes. 1. Dirty MAF sensor most common. 2. Clogged or dirty air filter. 3. Vacuum leaks extra air entering engine. 4. Damaged or loose wiring. 5. Faulty MAF sensor rare, but possible. Important. Don't replace parts blindly. Diagnose first. Section 4. Step-by-step fix. Step 1. Locate the MAF sensor. Open your hood. Find the air filter box. The MAF sensor is usually right next to it, on the intake tube. Step 2. Disconnect battery. Always disconnect the negative terminal. This protects your car's electronics. Step 3. Remove the MAF sensor. Use a screwdriver to remove the screws. Carefully unplug the connector. Warning: never touch the tiny wires inside. They are very sensitive. Step 4. Clean the sensor properly. Step 5. Check the air filter. If your air filter is dirty or clogged, replace it immediately. A bad air filter equals bad airflow equals same problem again. Step 6. Inspect for air leaks. Step 7. Reinstall everything. Put the sensor back carefully. Reset the code. Use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Or disconnect battery for 10 to 15 minutes. Temporary reset. Section 6. When to replace the sensor. Replace the MAF sensor only if cleaning didn't fix the issue. Sensor is physically damaged. Code keeps coming back. Now you know how to fix P0101 and bring your engine back to life. If this video helped you, hit like. Subscribe for more car repair secrets. Comment your car problem. I might fix it in the next video.